Somebody asked Swami Vivekananda, if unity is the only reality, how could duality, which is perceived by all every moment, have arisen? Swamiji answered, perception is never dual. It is only the representation of perception that involves duality. If perception were dual, the known could have existed independently of the knower. So, what Swamiji is trying to explain here is that the knower and known are the same. Your simple perception always keeps you united with the object you are perceiving or the person that you are perceiving. That is your simple perception. But when the thought arises, it gives rise to me, and with the rise of me, the other also rises up. And so it is this thought which interferes your normal simple perception and gives rise to duality. Otherwise, there is no duality and it is all one unity.